in this geometry creation exercise, we've put some custom code in the Sandbox's On User Code 2 button. And once we get a model key through the canvas's view, get attached model, we'll set up some attributes. So we turn on the visibility of the cut edges and also general edges for any geometry that might reside down in this model segment. And then something we haven't covered yet, but we'll get into a little bit later, is to set up actual attributes. We'll get controls, in this case a material control, which lets us set up the colors for both edges and cut edges. Then we use a new concept that we'll introduce, which is we can set up a structure that resides outside of the scene graph. In this case, a sphere kit. We set up our sphere, and we insert the sphere into the model segment. And we set up a cutting section kit as well. So that lets us control how we visualize the cutting section geometry. In this case, we're saying we want to see the actual cutting section plane with a certain color and a type of square geometry, and we insert our cutting section. Then before we update our canvas, we do a fit world, which makes sure our camera gets reset so that it can see the extents of our scene down in the model segment, and we have an update. So here in our user code 2, we are able to see the results of our cutting section kit with the slicing through the top of a sphere.